three costly mistakes people make here in the UAE, especially entrepreneurs. Now, I have been dealing with entrepreneurs ever since I have been in the legal industry, and I know as a business owner or as somebody entering into a different market, you're not aware. And the first thing is that people rely on hearsay information, which is not the way to go forward. Now, your trade licensing, the license part of opening your business is very different from a lot many countries across the globe that works here in the UAE. Your trade activity, licensing activity is very much restricted to what you've selected. Where you can do particular activities, where you cannot, how you need to function is something that you should seek professional guidance on and not just rely hearsay. It also is very important to rely on your own business goals and customize a solution for yourself. The second thing I feel is that people think because there is no tax, there is no compliance. It's not correct. Yes, there is no personal income tax. Yes, we live in a tax haven. There's no capital gain tax on real estate. There are other kind of tax benefits. At the same time, for companies, there's corporate tax, there's VAT, there's registration, there's compliance. Some activities need to be regulated by AML. So there is a lot of other things in terms of compliance and regulatory approvals that you need to cater to. And yes, even though it's a tax haven, it still is regulated. And the third thing I encounter is that I see a lot of people not relying on contracts. This is a civil jurisdiction, except the two free zones, which are common law jurisdiction. A lot will depend on what you have in writing. So it's very important you have your contracts, be it your shareholding agreements, partnership agreements, nominee agreements in place. Now, these are some things that usually people skip onto initially to save the cost. But this is like just saving it and having a band-aid over a problem rather than rectifying the solution itself. So I always say that when you're entering UAE as an entrepreneur or expanding your business here, just know what and where to start with, along with other things that I spoke about. Thank you.